Alrighty, so it's official. I have my receipt for my Nintendo Switch 2. Let's go. Just gotta wait till 9 p.m. A few more hours and the next generation of Nintendo will be upon us. Alrighty, it's official. In this bag right here, I have my Nintendo Switch 2. Now I'm headed back to the crib, which is only like 10 minutes away. That's the line that's still sitting outside. And not to mention the store is full. Let's get ready for Mario Kart! Woohoo! First official look at the new console. Oh my goodness. As we open it for the first time. Oh. So Switch 1, Switch 2. Look at the size difference on them bad boys. Look at it. Mario Kart. Wahoo! Oh. Look at them. Ah. Let's go. Naturally, can't just get the console. You've always got to keep an eye out for the Pro Controller in the bottom. And oh, that's satisfying. Ooh, this feels premium. Alrighty, it is officially downloaded. Mario Kart.
Wow.
No, look at him. Look at him being the star of the show. He's so handsome. Such a good looking little fella now. The next morning, and look who I unlocked. It's Captain Adventure Toad. He made it. He made it into the game. My little buddy. Can't believe it.